Hello and welcome to Chao. Today I am going to show you my pastel milk tea series. And we are going to make two different types. One is banana milk tea and the other is strawberry milk tea. So we'll start by brewing our tea. This time I'm not going to use a machine. I'm going to use the normal brewing process using the French press. So I'm going to brew good for 3 cups and I'm going to use our premium Taiwanese tea. For 3 cups, I normally put 1 scoop per cup, so 1, 2, 3 scoops of the Taiwanese tea, which is a blend of a variety of premium tea, black tea. And then I'm going to use hot water. I'm going to put 3 cups. The reason why I'm putting 3 cups, full cups, is because after the brewing process, the remaining brew will be less than 3 cups, which is at least about 150 or 5 ounces per cup. So 3 cups of hot water into the French press. Okay. And then we give it a bit of a stir. Then we'll put our lid on and do not push the plunger for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is over, so I'm going to put the plunger down slowly. Okay, and our tea is ready to be served. And I have 2 cups here, both are 16 ounces cup. This mason jar is good for 16 ounces cup. I have here my strawberry puree and I have here my banana syrup. Let's start with the strawberry. So the formula again this is pastel, so I'm going to make 2 layers. One is the bottom layer, which is our strawberry. Okay, strawberry. And then I'm going to mix with our half and half, or our milk syrup. I'm going to put 1 ounce. So 1 ounce of our milk syrup. Give it a stir. And for the second cup, it's the same thing. We're going to put our 20 ml of banana syrup and then 1 ounce of our half and half. Okay, there you go. Beautiful yellow color. It actually smells of real banana. Incredible. I love this. Okay, there you go. That's the bottom layer. Now we're going to make our tea. So for this, what we need is 4 ounces of tea. I'm going to mix 1 ounce of fresh milk. The reason why I'm mixing fresh milk with this is so that the color of the tea will be lighter, because we're making pastel milk tea. Okay, let's use this one for our strawberry. Okay, give that a stir. So we'll start with the strawberry. Let's put some ice there. So again, I'm going to just stir it to about half the cup with ice, just so that the bottom layer will go a little bit higher. Okay, give it a stir. And fill the cup up with more ice. Okay, there you go. And so then I'm going to pour my tea over slowly so that it will stay on top. There you go. And then we're going to make the same mixture, 4 ounces of tea mixed with an ounce of milk. There you go. Keep it there. Now I'm going to decorate the bottom of my cup. Okay, so it's about half a cup. Bring the yellow a little bit higher. And then pour a bit more ice. There you go. And then let's pour our tea over. Slowly. I think that's a little bit too fast. There you go. You have your 2 flavor milk tea. One has got a yellow at the bottom and a pinkish one. So just to make it complete, I'm going to top it up with some milk foam. Okay, beautiful milk foam we have here. Look at that, really nice. Okay, I'm going to just decorate the top with milk foam. I'm just scooping it up. Okay, and for this one, the same thing. There you have it. 2 types of pastel milk tea. Let's start with the strawberry. Wow, so yummy. For those who love strawberry, this is your choice. And now, banana. I think that many people know that banana is a very good flavor for milk tea. If you haven't tried it, you must come and give it a shot. Give it a try. It's like having banana with tea. It's absolutely amazing. So there you have it. Very simple procedure, very simple formula. All you need is to find the right syrup that will work best with your tea. If you're using flavored tea, it's better to use a black tea with a little bit of grassy and minty flavor. If you're using black tea, pure black tea, the taste might not be as refreshing as you want it to be. There are many syrups available in the market: strawberry, banana, melon, anything that would make your tea, the bottom of your tea, pastel in color. So give it a shot. Use the formula and the presentation that we made here, that I showed you today, and see how it goes. I hope that you learned something new today, and I will see you in my next video. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and ciao for now.